มาเที่ยวอ่าวประจวบกันนะคะ
Train window flickers, city slides, neon rivers in your eyes. We don't talk much, just breathe in time. Your shoulder close and I'm alive.
I watch the lights become a blur, and everything feels softer. Sure, no need to name what we don't say. I like it quiet this way.
If the night gets long, we'll let it be. Just hold this calm.